Hey everyone, welcome back to Hack Your Day. I'm thrilled to see you here for our fourth video. You've been incredible with your likes, comments, and subscribes, and I can't thank you enough. We've tackled daily shortcuts, money-saving tricks, health boosts, and now we're diving into something we all live with every day, technology. Today, I've got 5 tech hacks to help you master your digital life in 2025. These are simple, practical ways to make your devices work harder for you, not the other way around. Why tech? Because in 2025, we're more connected than ever. The average American spends 7 hours a day on screens, and that's not slowing down. But here's the catch. Our phones, laptops, and apps can either save us time or waste it completely. These hacks are about taking control, cutting clutter, boosting productivity, and even keeping your data safe. I've tested every one of these myself, talked to tech-savvy friends, and dug into what works. Whether you're a student, a remote worker, or just someone who loves their gadgets, there's something here for you. If you're new to Hack Your Day, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. We're dropping game-changing hacks like this every single week, and I'd hate for you to miss out. Loved our health hacks last time? Tell me your favorite in the comments. I read them all. Alright, let's get geeky and take charge of our tech. Here's hack number 1 to kick things off. Hack number 1. The App Declutter Dash. Let's be real. Our phones are a mess. The average American has 80 apps installed, but we only use about 9 a day. That's a ton of digital junk slowing us down. This hack's about stripping your phone to the essentials in just 15 minutes. So it's faster, cleaner, and doesn't drain your battery or your sanity. Here's how to do it. Open your phone, swipe through every screen, and ask one question: have I used this in the last month? If not, delete it. Games you forgot, that weather app you never check, random photo editors from 2022. On iPhone, hold and tap Remove App. On Android, drag to uninstall. Takes 5 seconds each. I did this and cut 30 apps. My phone's snappier, and I'm not scrolling through chaos anymore. Bonus, it frees up storage. I got back 2 gigs in one go. My friend Sarah tried it. She's a social media junkie. Had 15 apps for filters alone, and she ditched half of them. Says her phone lasts an extra hour on a charge now. Pro tip: organize what's left into folders: work, fun, tools, so you're not hunting for stuff. Set aside 15 minutes this weekend. Blitz those apps, and feel the difference. Your phone will thank you, and so will your brain. Hack number 2. Keyboard Shortcut Mastery. If you're on a laptop or desktop all day, work, school, whatever, you're wasting time clicking around like it's 1999. Studies say shortcuts can save you 8 minutes an hour. That's over an hour a day if you're at it for 8 hours. This hack's about learning 5 simple shortcuts to fly through your tasks like a pro. Here's your starter pack. Ctrl-Alt-C to copy. Ctrl-Alt-5 to paste. Ctrl-Alt-Z to undo. Works on Windows and Mac. Every program. Add Alt-Tab to switch apps fast. And Ctrl-Alt-T for a new browser tab. Boom. Yuhaninya. I started using these at my desk job. Cut my email time by 20 minutes a day. No exaggeration. Practice them for a week. They're muscle memory by day 3. Google shortcuts for your app, like Excel or Photoshop, for more gold. My cousin Mike, he's a coder, showed me this, and he swears it's why he finishes projects early. I taught my mom Ctrl-Alt-Z. She undid a deleted email and called me a genius. Next time you're working, skip the mouse for these. You'll feel like you've hacked time itself. Try it today, and tell me how many minutes you save. Hack number 3. Cloud Storage Cleanup. Google Drive, Dropbox, iCloud, we dump everything there. And then bam, storage full at the worst time. Americans store over 1,200 photos a year on average, plus docs and random junk. This hack's about clearing the mess in 20 minutes, so you never pay extra for space again. Here's the drill. Log into your cloud, say Google Drive, and sort by size. Delete old PDFs, blurry pics, that 5 gig video of your cat from 2020, just click and trash. I cleared 10 gigs in one session. Old school projects, duplicators, gone. Use the large files filter if it's there, makes it a breeze. Then empty the trash, that's the key. Or, it's still hogging space. Save me $2 a month on iCloud upgrades? My sister Lisa did this. She's a photographer, had 15 gigs of old shoots, freed up half her drive, and canceled a $5 plan. Pro tip: backup keepers to a $20 USB drive first. If you're paranoid, cheap insurance. Set a date this month, blast through your cloud, and enjoy the freedom. No more upgrade now pop-ups. Hack number 4. Password Manager Power. We've all got a million logins, email, Netflix, bank, and 60% of Americans reuse passwords, which is a hacker's dream. This hack's about locking down your digital life with one free tool, saving you time and stress when password123 fails again. Here's the fix. Download a free password manager. LastPass or Bitwarden are solid. Set one master password, make it tough, like SUNNYHILL2025, and let it generate and store random ones for everything else. 20-character monsters, no one's cracking. I set this up in 10 minutes, now I log in with one click. No resets, no sticky notes. It syncs across phone and laptop too. Saved me 15 minutes a week on login nonsense. My coworker Jen tried it. She's got 50 accounts. Used to forget half, now she's secure and breezing through logins. Pro tip, enable 2-factor on it, takes 2 minutes, doubles your safety. Install one today, it's free, fast, and you'll wonder how you lived without it. Hack number 5. The notification taming trick. Our phones buzz like crazy. The average American gets 46 alerts a day, and it's a focus killer. This hack's about silencing the noise in 10 minutes, so you're not a slave to every ping, ding, and ring. Here's how. Go to your phone settings, notifications, and turn off everything non-essential, games, news apps, that store you shopped at once. Keep calls, texts, maybe work email, the rest? Mute it. I cut mine from 50 to 10 a day. No more random sale alerts, just peace. 30 minutes, and my focus jumped. Studies say this boosts productivity by 25%. Android's got Do Not Disturb mode too. Set it for work hours. My brother Tom did this. He's a student, used to check every buzz. Now he studies an hour straight. No distractions. Pro tip, check apps twice a day, morning and night, not every 5 minutes. Try it tomorrow. Tame those alerts, and take back your day. And that's it. 5 tech hacks to master your digital life in 2025. Let's run it back. Declutter your apps, master shortcuts, clean your cloud, lock down passwords, and tame notifications. These aren't just tricks, they're your ticket to a faster, safer, less chaotic tech world. Start small, and you'll feel the difference by next week. Which hack are you tackling first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your tech wins. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. We've got more hacks coming to make your 2025 unstoppable. Thanks for watching Hack Your Day. You're the best part of this journey, and I'll see you in the next one.